Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell from the title, I will be doing an updated brow tutorial. I'm just going to jump right in. So I've had this product for about a year and I've never really used it. So I decided why not just go ahead and give it a try. So my brows are freshly done. I'm just going to use this spoolie end to brush my brows out, and then I'm just going to start filling it in. Most people like to start from the middle, but I like to go ahead and start from the front end, so you know I can just go ahead and draw a straight line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my brows first, outline the bottom, then just go ahead and fill it in. If you hear a noise in the background, that's just my daughter playing with her toys, so excuse that. But yeah, I'm just gonna draw hair-like strokes at the front of my brows because my brows are really short. So I like for my brows to be completely covered, you know, as far as like my eye length. I like for it to be longer than the length of my eyes, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to go ahead and outline the top and then fill it in. Don't mind me, I was listening to music while I was doing my brows, so that explains that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other brow. And this brow started off really good to be like the good brow. You know, you have the good brow and the bad brow. Like everyone has a good brow and a bad brow. This brow started off to be the good brow, and you can see why after I'm done outlining it. But I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch, and I'm gonna shut up now. Alright guys, so if you're going for a more natural look, you can pretty much stop here, and that's really simple. But I'm going to go ahead and use my Pomade by ABH as well, and it's also in the shade Ebony. Both of them are the same shade, so I'm just going to go back with the spoolie and brush my hairs out, and then I'm going to go in with the pomade to outline everything. But first I like to use my cucumber water or cucumber spray by Mario Badescu, or you can just use water, it doesn't matter, just to wet the brush a bit, and then I'm just going to start outlining. Am I the only one that gets so focused when doing the brows? Like I literally cannot speak when I do my brows. Like I have to give my brows my undivided attention or else I will mess up. I don't know. Do you guys, does that happen to you too? So now we're just going to go ahead and clean it up to make them more precise. And to clean it up, I like to use whatever concealer and foundation I'm using for the day. So today I used the Loreal, the new Loreal concealer. You guys saw what that was in the shade 395. And I'm going to use that to clean the bottom half, and the top half I'm going to use the foundation, my foundation of choice for that day, which is my MAC NC45. On the top, I like to use my foundation because I hate when you just have that white cast at the top of your brows. I mean, I think it's okay for the bottom half, like as long as it's not like too bad, but for the top, definitely I use my foundation. last step of this process is to just get a nice clean brush to clean up the edges, clean up the excess concealer and foundation from the bottom and the top, and yeah. Alright you guys, and that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I am your girl Olivia Face, and I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!